Brand Ambassadors, SB19! Guys, SB19! Let's give them a round of applause. Welcome to the program. But before we start, batiin na naman ang ating mga viewers on our live stream.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat ng mga SB19. Thank you for having us here. Muli ako si Pablo.
Nagkabiso ko na ako si Ken.
I'm Justin. Hi everyone, my name is Tel. And I'm Josh.
Now guys, if you didn't know, actually sasayaw tayo today. Yes! Di nga lang. Pwede na, di ba? No, I'm just joking. But really, this is your third year with Xiaomi. This is your third year collaborating with Xiaomi. How does that feel for you guys?
Of course, napakagandang start ng year kasi January pa lang we are here with you guys, of course, with our Xiaomi family. And sino ba naman ang hindi magiging masaya having being part of this big name sa industry na to. And of course, same kasi ng goal si SB19 and si Xiaomi. So we're very happy to be part of this big family. And of course, 3 years na sa kanila. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala and hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin tayo. So we're very happy and honored and blessed to be here today.
Actually, ramdam din po namin yung growth with Xiaomi. Kasi nag-start po kami sa Redmi Note 13. And now, nandito na tayo sa 15. So, talagang, ang tindi po talaga ng growth.
So, narinig niyo yan, every year umaangat sila. Same goals kasi, di ba? But each year is indeed special. This time, it's Titan Tough. As Titans in the industry, what does Titan Tough truly mean for you?
Titan Tough po kasi parang kasi po sa amin yung journey namin nung nag-start kami as an artist. Talagang hindi madala yung struggle sa amin, yung pinagdaanan namin. But still, nag-stay kami as a matibay na tao as an artist, And ganoon din po sa Xiaomi. Kahit siguro yung malibag ko dyan, hindi mawawasak. Titan Tough.
Pero po sa hindi mga nakakalam, 7 years na po yung grupo namin. Tagal na po namin magkakasama. Pero 10 taon na po kami magkakasama. And now, we have established our own company. It's called One Zero Entertainment. So, katulad ng Xiaomi, Redmi Note 15, Titan Tough na SB19. Ilang taon na pagdaan.
Well, narinig niyo yun, matibay. No doubt that Redmi Note 15 series is Titan Tough. I experienced this yesterday, this morning. I'm sure you guys all experienced it too. Now I'm sure you guys have experienced that as well. I think you guys are going to share photos with us. And why are your favorite photos, right? Okay, let's go.
First photo!
Ito pong photo, aking photo. Nakita lang po ako sa cat kasi kamukha na po yung pusa ko na si Nikita. So, ang ganda po ng composition niya. Ito pong photo na to, medyo madilim na, parang sunset na. But as you can see, the detail, may clarity ka rin yung photo. So, yeah, they share. Tapos yung cat parang, para saan parang lion siya eh. Ganun yung feeling na binibigay ng vibe ng cat. So, it's a nice photo. Yeah.
Napaka-sentimental naman niya, guys. Let's see the next photo. Ano ba ulit?
Another animal. Ako po yan.
Okay.
Ako yan.
Bakit ano kayo? Magtingin talaga kayo, no?
That's my selfie. Grabe yung gagawa ng Xiaomi or you can transform. Ito po, kasi kanina kumakain ako tapos nakita lang ako sa dog na yan. Pero, ang ano dito, ang touch dito, sobrang layo ng dog na yan. Sobrang layo niya from my table. So, kinuha ko yung opportunity to use yung feature ng Redmi, which is the 200 megapixel camera. So kahit napakalayo niya, zero ko, and then surprisingly, ang ganda pa rin ang quality ng photo.
Napakaganda ng selfie mo. Di ba?
Selfie ko to.
Selfie ko lang, di ba?
Yeah. So yeah, super cute ng moment na yan, and sana sa may-ari po nung aso, sana okay lang po na pinicture ko yung dog niyo.
Okay. Can we see the next photo? Hindi na animal, guys.
Yan naman po, sa akin po. Although mahilig ako sa black, sobrang mag-gusto ko po yung photo na to. And yung pagka-vibrant ng colors and yung yung brightness. And then what I love about this, like, gaya na sabi ni Star, kaya i-zoom mo siya, kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pagiging crisp ng photo. So,
Ganda naman ng colors, guys. Do you see how bright these colors are? Okay, next photo.
Oh, this one is, I took this photo. Kasi huge foodie ako. And outdoor siya sa kanina, while we were having our lunch, parang sabi ko, nasa labas kami, gusto ko mag-try lang na mag-photo. And then, surprisingly, mukha lang balance ito, pero sobrang liwanag yung kanina. Yung sun, directly dun sa screen ko. But yung AMOLED na quality ng screen, nakikita ko pa rin yung pinipicture ko even though parang pag sa ibang perspective, di ba? Or sa ibang cellphone, mahirap na siya makita. But this one, I took it with actually very detailed and hindi ako nahirapan mag-adjust dahil sa AMOLED feature ng Redmi Note 15.
Nagutom ba kayo, guys? Parang nagutom ako eh. Okay, last photo.
Dito naman po, nung pinicture ko po siya, pinaglaruan ko yung parang telephoto effect ng Redmi na nagbo-blur yung sa likod. So nakakatawa kasi nagkakaroon siya ng parang focus, focus sa harap, tapos medyo blur yung effect. Tapos nakakatawa din po na parang even though medyo dun sa moment ko na medyo padilim na siya paggabi na. So medyo clear pa rin yung photo, nag-bright pa rin siya. So hindi siya lumako. So ayun po yung na-enjoy ko with taking this photo.
Grabe, iba-iba yung mga vibes nila, no? You know what? This is truly tight and tough indeed. And this next segment is gonna prove that true. No, we will not be dancing. But you guys are gonna want to whip out your phones for this. Please refrain from waving your phones so that our live streamers can see it. But get ready, guys, because this is the Titan Crackdown. We will be giving away Redmi Note 15 phones signed by your favorite SB19 members to 5 lucky winners. Okay. Guys. Now let's go. Ready na ba? Go. Game.
Let's go! 3,
2, 1, go! Oh my gosh, guys, hindi ko yun in-expect. I will ask for some help.
Wow!
Pero you guys can choose one.
Size and stuff, one.
Dahil ang tough nga talaga. Nakita
number
niyo
na,
guys?
di ba?
Did you guys get that on video?
May number.
Yes, okay. You guys can pick one each and then read it out loud.
May rapon.
from Edith Garcia
Ay, hindi.
to SB19, I'm excited to join this giveaway and hopefully win an SB19 signed phone. Fingers crossed. I think kanina siya ng Philippines. I want to use this phone. Sana sa wakas sa Simula concert para mag-keep up to mga members ko. Papala lang enough mag-secure ng ticket. So may mahalin na hope to see you soon again. Yun.
So guys, bigyan na lang ticket, please.
So,
Okay, game.
From Jen Pai. I'm an avid Xiaomi user and excited to see what the Redmi Note 15 series brings. As an SB19 fan, also a signed phone would mean a lot to me. Would mean a lot po, especially today, my birthday. Mabuhay Xiaomi Philippines. Happy birthday, Jen! Happy birthday.
Okay.
Sa akin po medyo haba. Galing kay Grace Pedera to SB19. I'll be honest, Mahalima. I was converted from a basher to a fan. Dati, hindi ko gets ang hype sa inyo. SB19. Pero ang hirap mo palang hindi mahalin kapag nakita mo na ang talent at determinasyon nyo. Dati, dagan palang kawitan nyo at pagiging mga call nyo. Your stories as an individual and as a group are truly inspiring. Nakain ko lahat ng sinabi ko noon at ngayon. I can sing a full-time 18 na ako simula ng pagtatag era. Proud of you, Pablo, Josel, and Justin. Keep soaring. P.S. Sana makapunta ako sa hometown concert ko sa April 18. Sana dumating na rin yung LSD Plus at Bonzi Shopping Cart. P.S. Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro user here. Baka ito na ang sign for a phone upgrade.
Upgrade from hater to fan. Okay.
Oh, from basher to... Deserve mo ang bagong phone. Okay, from Christine Joy and Amarga. To my Kuyas SB19, I hope to stay humble and kind. And as an 18, I will always support you until the end. Also, you're one of my inspiration to achieve my goals in life. Thank you, Xiaomi Philippines, for giving me this opportunity to give a message to SB19. Congratulations, Christine.
Congratulations. Okay.
And last but not the least, from Casey Mercado Zala. Hello SB19, noong 2024, wish ko na makita kayo at maka-hi, hello in person. Natupad yun dahil kay Ninang Xiaomi Philippines. SLFT po. Ngayon 2026, ang wish ko, mas klaro at tight and tough na pang-picture pag nakita tayo ngayon. Hashtag Redmi Note 15 series.
Alright.